WPG welcomes you to a whole new era in glass handling, introducing the Powr-Lift 1600. To operate your Powr-Lift, first connect the batteries and disengage the emergency stop. Then turn on the main power key. Place the drive power switch in the on position. Rotate the drive paddles forward or backward to move in the desired direction. The wireless remote allows control of all the powered load movements. Disengage the emergency stop and press the power button. An indicator light will display when the remote's paired with the machine. After testing the motion functions, approach the load with the Powr-Lift and position the pad frame close to the load face. Use powered motion to center the pad frame on the load. Slightly compress the pad mounts, then press the attach button on the remote. Wait until both vacuum gauges reach their green zones. The green lift light turns on. The remote screen will also provide vacuum level feedback with its bar graph display. Before lifting the load, move the stabilizer legs outward to prevent the machine from tipping. Press the latch with your foot and swing the leg to its extended position. Then carefully raise the load to avoid obstructions when it moves. To rotate the load, use the rotation latch located at the base of the pad frame. To automatically stop the load at right angles, simply move the latch handle partway to the right, start the rotation, and let go of the handle before reaching the desired position. This allows the latch to automatically re-engage at the next stop. To rotate the load continuously up to 360 degrees, move the latch handle all the way to the right, where it will remain locked out. Keeping the latch disengaged also enables you to align windows precisely in rough openings. Powr-Lift's yaw function allows the pad frame to pivot 90 degrees in relation to the boom. This allows a machine to travel through doorways and other narrow openings. Pull the yaw latch straight down to release the pad frame. Letting the latch go will allow the pin to engage in the nearest stop. To lock out the yaw latch, simply pull the knob and turn it 1/4 turn. Keeping the latch disengaged also enables you to precisely align a window with the angle of a building facade. Moving the pads on the Powr-Lift is easy. For smaller loads, simply remove the pins and slide the pad down the arm to the next pinhole. For narrow loads, use a linear configuration by mounting all 4 pads on 2 arms. Always arrange pads symmetrically as described in the instructions. Then remove the bare arms from the frame. When your job is finished, place the radio remote back in its docking station, where it will automatically recharge. Place the drive power switch in the off position. Then turn the power key off and engage the emergency stop. Finally, raise the control handle. Recharge the batteries after each workday as needed. Powr-Lift 1600 helps your team handle heavy loads with confidence and control. Engineered and backed by the team at Powr-Lift.